Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about job status widget. This widget gives information about the job status for cases. For instance, whether case jobs processing is completed, running, or failed. This widget also gives the ability to add Quincy workers, check the resources used by distributed processors, create a scheduling task, and error log. To open the job status widget, click on the job status widget icon. By default, the tab is set to Job Status window. Click on the Cases box to see the list of cases. Select the desired case for which you want to check the job status. Now I'm going to select one more case. The job statuses for two cases are listed. You can see the machine name, case name, type of the job, status, user, the starting and the ending date and time of different jobs. Next, I'm going to demonstrate a case that is currently processing in the background and how it would show up in the job status. You can see there is one job listed in progress. Hit the right arrow on the left corner of the job status window to get more information about the current running job. Notice that the job that was running just vanished from the list. This is because by default only the active jobs are populated. Since the job was already completed, we have to right-click and check the option Show Active Jobs Only. This will show the job that was just finished. You can see the evidence name, object enumerated, objects indexed, object processed, and there are some error messages you can also see. It's a status info. When you right-click, you see some more options. You can export the information listed on this page as an Excel file. You can kill all running jobs, poll for jobs. Next tab is Quincy Workers. This tab allows you to add Quincy worker machines. There will be a separate video section about how to set up a Quincy worker machine in detail. As you can see, there is one worker already available in the list called Quincy. This is my local Quincy instance. For this demonstration, let us assume that there is one Quincy worker machine already set up and ready to be added so that it can participate in doing some jobs. Now, let's add the worker. Click on the plus symbol above and type the name of the worker that has already been set up and configured. Here, I am adding my worker called Quincy2. You can see that I have two workers available now. The beauty of the Quincy architecture is that you can assign particular jobs to the workers. You can, for instance, give CPU-intensive jobs like OCR to a powerful machine and assign simple jobs to a non-powerful machine. You can also define number of processor cores to use to perform certain job on each worker, provided that worker's machine hardware allows it. My Quincy worker machine is checked, so now I can go and assign some jobs for it. I can check a couple of options, hit save. By the way, this action requires listener restart to complete. Now I check my other Quincy worker and check some other options there. Hit save. Now, when you process a case, Workers will perform only the jobs that they are assigned to and not more. Isn't it beautiful? When the processing is running, you can come here and check jobs, processes, and CPU utilization of each workers. You can stop polling, kill active jobs, and turn on polling. Next tab is distributed processes. This tab will show the system status overview of the processing engines. Since I'm only using a local processing engine, you are seeing the system information from my local Quincy instance. As you add more distributed processing engines, you can come here to find the system status of each DPS. This information can be very useful for troubleshooting issues. Next tab is job scheduling. This tab allows us to run jobs at the defined date and time. Watch out for more videos that discusses these sections in more detail. Next tab is error log. This tab is helpful for troubleshooting issues. When jobs are not running in the worker's machine, this is the place to come and check for the cause of the issues. Select the desired worker machine and click on the scissor symbol to populate the error logs. If you want to see more logs, increase the number and hit the scissor symbol again. If you want to search some words or error codes in the log, type the desired text in the search text box and hit the magnifying glass. It will search for the terms in the log and will highlight the text if it has found a match. The number next to the text box shows the total number of matching words found in the log. This concludes my video about job status widget. Thank you for watching.